shocks, control them, bumper fronts, battery change, oil pains, manifolds, time to spot the road, Yoshi fixing.
All over YouTube, I've been looking for videos to service a 2000 Camry LE Japan model. Something that a lot of people don't show. So we're talking about the EVAP canister, the EVAP canister. So I'm gonna run y'all step by step on how I did it because a lot of people they gave me the runaround. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. First, you're gonna need one of these. You need this. I'm telling y'all, I went and got a rechargeable. Also, you're gonna need a set of pips. I got this from Walmart, $7. I brought 2 packs, thought I was gonna need it. You're just gonna need the 2 hooks. I think that's these 2 right here. You're gonna need them 2 hooks. Let's see. Another thing you're gonna need is a 14 millimeter. Let me see. But 14 socket wrench will work perfect for the job, and maybe some good music. Also got a separator. Get this mosquito. Got a separator. I'm gonna show y'all that as well. This right here helped me out a lot. So this piece, get this off Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. This helped me out big time. Also, I brought this right here. Keep the link in the description as well. This tool is real good. Pulls them pipes away. So you're gonna need all this right here. All this, including the picks. So let's start with taking off this right here.
Learn how to fix your ride. You just 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 learn how to fix your ride. Yeah. You just learn how to fix your ride. Yeah. You just learn how to fix your ride. Yeah.
All right, these are the 2 screws right here. You want to keep these, okay? So put these up, safe haven. What I like to do is put them on my steps, right behind me. All right, once we get that, now if you notice, you got play, okay? That moves. That way, how you could, you go up in there and take that out. Okay, so let's go ahead and take out our plugs. Let's unplug the canister, okay? All right, so we don't want to disconnect this. Do not do that. What you want to do is disconnect this right here. That's pinch. So just pinch that apart, okay? Disconnect that. Then go ahead and I want you to mark this with a marker, and I want you to disconnect this one. And if you don't have that tool, use a wrench. Put the tool under here and latch it right there, and then squeeze. But I can't show y'all on the camera, okay? But I have it right here. Okay? You see it? All I gotta do is move it. But I can't do it while I'm on the phone. I only got one hand. But it moves real easy. All I'm doing is gripping it right here.
You just learn how to fix your ride. You just learn how to fix your ride.
So pull that out. Right, go right there. And I want you to mark it. Put a mark on that, okay? You see how I got the yellow mark right here? That let me know it goes right there. So you got that disconnected, okay? So you have more on this side. So we want to go on this side. And we want to disconnect. I don't know if y'all can see it. My hand is hitting it right there. It's a little one. You want to disconnect that one real quick before we hit this tube. I'm gonna show y'all how to pick that. Okay, here we go. All right, that'll lead you to the part where everybody say it's real hard, right? And to be honest, it's really not that hard. You need them picks. If you don't have them picks, yeah, it's gonna be a pain in the butt, I bet. But you get one pick and you insert it and put it right under this one. Yep, right under it, because you want to lift it up. So when you get one side up, pull that one side out. It's just hard for me because I'm holding this damn phone. All right, I'm gonna have to let go because what you want to do is you're gonna lift this up and you're just gonna pull. Okay, that's all you're gonna do. I can't do it holding this phone and doing it at the same time, so it's fairly easy. But I'm gonna show y'all when we get it off. All right, now that you have it off, that's all it is a cuff. Gotta just lift on up, pull it on out. Now you want to go for this bolt right there. See it? 14 millimeter. Go ahead and take that out. Y'all don't need to see that. Just take that on out. Use what I told you, okay? All right, here you go right here. Take that out. That's one of them. You're going to have two of these as well, okay? I need you to go up. You got that one. Time to go up on this back end right here. Let me show you that one. Let me move over there. All right, your next one is right there. You see it? Let me see. Right. That one. Another 14. Take that out, okay? Then you're going to slide it that way, forward, towards the driver back wheel, all right? Let's go. All right, we got it. That's it right there, right? So you took it from there. You unplugged everything. All right, we'll put this where I know where it's going to be at. And now, if you move it up, it'll disconnect. See? I'm going to show y'all how to take it on out. Okay? Here we go. Let's go on the other side. Here's a toolbox that the tools that I use to take some of these parts off came in. I'm gonna show y'all what I use to take off a lot of them tubes in there. Is this right here, tube separator. Made my job a whole lot easier. Also, before you even start the job, just go ahead and spray it with some blaster. That's what I did earlier. Sprayed it with some of that blaster up there, let it soak for probably about 20 minutes while I went to go eat. Came back, unplugged everything, okay? So let's take it off. We're gonna take it off from right here in this angle. Like I said, this drops. So you're able to go and turn it and bring it right on out. Okay, you just got to be gentle with it, but it'll turn right up in there and give you enough clearance to pull it out. See if I can put the all right. So what you'll do is you'll turn it and it'll slide right on out. You ain't gotta do all that extra stuff. It'll give you enough clearance. All that'll come out. Remember, yeah, your 4 tubes should be 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And then you have this plug in, and then you have this other plug in up here, this latch. Now that should make it a lot easier for y'all when y'all go and service these Camrys. So all I'm gonna do is put that in and load everything up. Do y'all need to see that part? I don't think so. You just connect the dots wherever you. I was missing the part at the top of the right here. I was missing this part. So when I took it off, this tube to the fuel line was still connected to. It was under this. You know what I'm saying? Pinching it. I didn't know that. I got it now. I can put it on there. That's it, guys. Appreciate it. Hope this helps out.
You just learned how to fix your ride. You just learned how to fix your ride. You just learned how to fix your ride. Yeah. You just learned how to fix your ride. Yeah. You just learned how to fix your ride. Yeah. You just learned how to fix your ride. Just learn how to fix your ride. You just learned how to fix your ride. Yeah. You just learned how to fix your ride.